Well, I'm on my way to pick up a poplin order, a pretty big poplin order. She has 9 bags, so that's a pretty big poplin order. So come along with me, guys, and let's go pick up this poplin order. And then when I get off work at 4 today, I think I'm just going to come straight home and get started on the laundry since it's such a large amount, and then drop it off on my way to church tomorrow. So let's go get this laundry.
600 feet, turn right onto Kilmer. You have arrived.
All right, guys, the laundry has been picked up. They said they had 9 bags, but when I counted the bags, there were 11 bags. Although one of the bags wasn't full at all, it was like half full, but still it was 11 bags. But like I said, no spark today. We're getting back to come straight home after work, get started on this laundry so I can give these people their laundry back tomorrow morning. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna drop it off real early or on my way to work. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's beautiful Sunday morning. March
1,000 feet, turn left onto Todd's Lane.
March the 30th. It is March 30th, Sunday, March 30th. I'm on my way to drop off the poplin order. The 11 bags of
At the light, turn left
poplin
onto Todd's Lane.
laundry that I picked up on yesterday. And then I'll be on my way to church. So guys, come along with me as we go ahead and drop off this poplin order.
And everything in between. I'm myself. Now you be the most right. Agents of the secret. Agents of the secret. Now standing here only because you live. Now standing here you live.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto
Now standing here you live.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto
Guys, laundry has, roll my windows up so you can hear me. Laundry has been dropped off. Now I'm on my way to church. And again, the app was acting up a little bit. I don't know what's going on with that poplin app. Anyway, we're on our way to church now.
Respect me. Yeah.
at church, so I'm about to go in.
I got a warfare going on in my members.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fight a fight every day. I don't need you to fight myself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Try to maintain my integrity.
Took a Walmart order. So let me see how much it was. For $26.38, 3 houses and no apartment. So let me go ahead and check in. I said I might as well go ahead and get at least one delivery order on my way home before I go home. So that goes toward my tire. So I'm gonna wait till she bring me my order. All right, the first one says it's a house. It says please ring doorbell. I thought it said do not. It said please ring doorbell, and it is 8 minutes away. Let's go drop this order off. That was so fast, I forgot to even show you me dropping it off. Now we on to the next house, and that is 7 minutes away. So let's go.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto
Has been dropped off. We on our way to the last drop off, which is it's kind of far, 16 minutes away,
In 600 feet, turn right.
and it is a house.
In a quarter mile, turn right to stay on Wellington Drive.
It is a house, and it says leave your groceries in a brown box. So let's go drop this last order off.
Turn left onto Todd's Lane. Take the next left onto Todd's Lane.